The two main characters in a bitter feud are back for the sequel. Today, Johnny Depp's moment in the spotlight.
It never had to go in this direction.
His delivery noticeably different to the characters he's played on the silver screen.
It's very strange when one day you're Cinderella, so to speak, and then in 0.6 seconds you're Quasimodo. I didn't deserve that.
Depp suing ex-wife Amber Heard for $67 million over a 2018 op-ed in which she called herself a victim of domestic violence. Though he was never named, Depp believes the article depicted him as an abuser and cost him his career.
Never did I myself reach the point of striking Miss Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman in my life.
In a 3-hour testimony, Depp spoke of his relationship with his mother.
The verbal abuse, the psychological abuse was almost worse than the beatings.
His battles with drugs and alcohol.
I have taken these substances over the years, on and off, to numb myself.
And the deterioration of his marriage to Heard.
She was attentive, she was loving, she was smart, she was kind, she was funny, she was understanding. And then within a year and a half, she had become another person almost.
Over the past week, jurors have heard disturbing allegations against Depp.
He has dragged her across the floor on the broken bottles and the liquor. He has punched her, he has kicked her, he tells her he's gonna kill her.
But Depp's family, friends and colleagues have told the court she was the aggressor.
She initiated fights, she started violence,
she called him an old fat man.
It's not right what she did and what happened.
I've never seen Johnny be violent towards anybody.
Heard, who is yet to give evidence, has filed her own $134 million countersuit against Depp for calling her a liar.
I am not some maniac who needs to be high or loaded all the time.
So with several weeks and many more witnesses to go, will Depp's appearance today leave a lasting impression?
Entertainment correspondent Hyla joins us now. So Hyla, how do you digest all that?
I mean, listen, him talking about the abuse that he was impacted by as a kid, his mother physically abusing him, his father leaving him, those are all really powerful stories, and you can definitely sympathize with what he went through as a child. At the same time, you know, it's not uncommon for someone who suffered bad things to do bad things to other people. And at the end of the day, this is a civil trial that's based on whether he can prove that Amber lied about the abuse that she claims was at the hands of Johnny Depp.
Well, Depp said that these allegations have ruined his career. Based on what we have heard from him so far, do you think that there is any chance that a career for him could be salvaged regardless of the outcome of this case?
It's a really interesting question. And I think that, you know, his relentless pursuit to set the record straight from his perspective, I think has done more harm than good. I mean, a lot of these things are usually done behind closed doors, with contracts, with non-disclosure agreements, but he's been so adamant. You know, we had the very public trial in the UK, now this very public one here in the US. And my question is, you know, what studio is gonna want to make him the face of their film, knowing that he's gonna get questions about this for the rest of his life? What actress is gonna feel comfortable working alongside him? It's hard for me to imagine that anyone would. Then again, Louis C.K. just won a Grammy, so what the hell do I know?
Well, Amber is still to take the stand. What can we expect from that, do you think?
I mean, listen, the testimony from the UK trial was very intense, very graphic, and any indication to the opening remarks from her lawyer at the start of this trial indicate that there would be more of that and even more details revealed. We're just going to have to tune in and find out.
Sounds like it's just going to get darker from here. Hyla, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
And for National 24-hour counselling helpline and support, call 1-800-RESPECT on 1-800-737-732.